how to add outline on a text on Wix. So in order to actually do that, you can just look for the text that you want to add an outline into. I have in here this welcome to my store. And as you can see, it's only color white. And if I want to make it pop up, I just need to add an outline. Just click on that particular text, click on this edit text option, and then it should be able to open here the text settings. You can see in here the fonts, font size, and a lot of that. So what we can do in this case is just over to the effects, and in here you can see this D option. So this D right here will put an outline on your text. So just click on this right here, and then as you can see right here, when I go back, as you can see, we have now this sort of black thing. So if you want to make this thicker, you can just also head over again to the text settings. And then from there, you can just choose the highlight option and then change up the color of the effects from there. So that's how you add outline of text on Wix. Hope we helped.